Hi, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I've made this short video for Park Slope, emergency plumbing, heating, and cooling. Now in this short video, I'll be telling you guys 3 things you could do today to get more customers to your business, as well as reviewing your website and giving you tips along the way. So if by the end of the video you like what you see and hear, shoot me a message and we can chat. I'll try to keep it short and sweet. Let's get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to talk about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. So as you can see, I'm on the home page of your website, and the first thing I want to talk about is content. Now, when I say content, I want to say that Google loves content. They want to see at least 1,500 or more words on this home page and some great pictures if you guys can get them. So you want to make sure you have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page. I'm not sure who made this website. If you did it yourself, you can definitely do a lot better cosmetically and put some more pictures. Another free tip I'll give you is also how to use pictures to help you rank. So what's behind the picture really matters. So you see this is saved as home page. That's not really going to do anything for you. Here you want to write some keywords behind the picture that actually helps it rank higher. And you can definitely do a lot more to keep the website more interactive for customers and more engaging. So secondly, I'll talk about citations. Let me take you right here. I did a quick search for heating and plumbing companies in New York City, just to show you what customers see when they pull a similar search. So the first thing you'll see on top is the Google Guaranteed section, this one right here. This is a paid service through Google in which a business has to go through a verification process to get an ad up in here. But it's a really good spot to be. It's the first thing customers see, and it gives really strong leads. After that, we move down to the traditional Google Ads section, this one right here. And this is also a pretty similar approach, but this does not require any verification. So anybody can post an ad here. And for that reason, it's not highly effective, and it's a hit or miss in 2020. So if it's done properly, you can get leads. If done improperly, it could be a money pit. Moving down from there, we go down to this section, which is called the Google Map Pack. Here, I'll explain to you what a citation is. So a citation is basically anywhere on the web where you can input your business information, such as your business name, address, and phone number. And as you can see right here, that's exactly what they have. Name, address, phone number, along with other pertinent information like the hours of operation, links to the website. And this is a spot where I recommend a lot of my customers and business clients to try to be on. And this is what we specialize in, to move them into these top 3 sections. After that, we move down to this section right here, which is referred to as the organic section. Over here, you'll see the websites or businesses which have outranked and beat out their competitors to make it to the first page of the Google search result. First page is where all the action is at, and you want to catch that action. A lot of customers, a lot of leads. And after that, last thing I want to talk about will be backlinks. So the backlink is basically any website out there which is providing a link that leads to your website. Now to help me explain that better, I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid service, and they buy their data directly from Google, and they present it in a way which helps me assess the performance of any website. So as you can see, I've typed in your website right here, and it's showing me right now you guys only have 5 referring domains, giving you 7 backlinks, giving you 5 keywords, but at the moment you're not getting any traffic to your website. So to show you another competitor in the New York City area what their numbers look like, that'll help out a lot. So here it is. As you can see, it's rather large difference, and I'll just run the numbers. They got more than 700 referring domains, 3,100 backlinks, more than 26,000 keywords, and they're getting more than 26,000 people visiting their traffic every single month. That's the kind of numbers you want to be hitting. So let me go back to yours. The reason you guys made the website obviously is to get people to go there and ultimately become a customer. So you want to boost all these numbers up by a lot, and that's exactly what we specialize in. So going back to your website, I told you I'll keep it short and sweet. That's all I had for today. I hope you found this video to be educational for you. And if you want to hear more on how NYC marketers can help grow your business, give me a call. I'd love to chat. And I also ask if you could please give me some feedback on what you thought about the video and how I did. I'd really like it. With that, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.